There may be people who are not joining, but Nitin Gokhale brings you the special report of the young men and women who are still inspired and proud to wear the olive green.
For Lieutenants Akshay Joshi, Amit Tanwar and Shivin Singla, commissioned a month ago in the Indian Army, it's a dream come true to get deployed on their first posting to Kargil, the battle zone of 1999.
I'm very privileged to come to Kargil. During the Kargil War in 1999, I'd heard of Captain Vikram Batra, BBC, and it's a great honor to come with my battalion to Kargil, to Dras sector, where so many great heroes had given their lives, or I would say had given their today for our tomorrow.
Lieutenant Sivin's batchmates, Akshay and Amit are equally proud to be in Kargil, where 15 years ago, young officers Captain Vikram Batra, Captain Anuj Nayyar, Captain Vijayan Thapar and countless others became household names for their bravery and exploits in the war zone. A decade and a half brings several changes. One of them is presence of women officers in Kargil and Dras. Captain Mandira and Captain Ruchi are among several women officers who now routinely get posted to this sector. Captain Mandira, an army child, has spent nearly 2 years in the area and is more than happy to come back.
Given an opportunity, I would want to come back and serve here. When you come and start serving, you know how smooth things are when army is really pushing it forward. And even though they are difficult, you learn management, you learn administration, and you know the mechanisms better.
If the youngsters are wide-eyed, old-timers are nostalgic.
I was scheduled to get married in the month of June. I rushed from here, got married. The day I got married, the next day I got a flight. Came back and I was again launched.
Life remains as tough for the soldiers as before in this sector.
The winters are very harsh here. It is much harsher than even Siachen. In Siachen, a person stays for almost 3 months. Here, we are cut off for almost 7 to 8 months.
But to be fair, since the 1999 conflict, facilities have improved way beyond imagination.
Well, to cater for any eventuality and to maintain sanctity of LC, we are much better prepared in terms of our preparedness today. In case I can cover the specifics, the deployment density, the increased surveillance and interdiction capability which we have developed, the enhanced firepower, then the infrastructure development in terms of roads and tracks, ruggedized defense works and habitat, and of course the logistics sustenance, which not only enables the troops to survive but to fight and win.
Kargil may have faded from the collective consciousness of the Indian nation, but as far as the Indian Army is concerned, it has imbibed the right lessons from the conflict of 1999 with Pakistan and has implemented those lessons in this sector to prevent any misadventure by the arch rival in this sector. In Kargil and Dras, with Tariq, Nitin Gokhale for NDTV.